Oh, it's
That's right.
What time, Pete?
10:30.
Alright, I'll be here.
I need to look at the calendar. Dates on
I'm
it.
just harassing that day. No music? Some of these systems, even for transfer, you get a transfer and you do the colleges. First question is, what's your high school and counselor's name?
We don't do any
For transfer.
bylaws.
It's for college, not first time applicant.
We don't know what they are.
Yeah, I'll come out with a copy or something.
Oh, it's crazy with some stuff.
It doesn't give me all the power, so I have to
How are you?
do as a disparity senate or something like that.
Hey, man. You doing all right?
I know.
What's going on in your world?
I've gotten a lot of,
Is Ben the Senate, is that like a Star Wars thing or what?
Actually, it's, yeah, something like that. No, I haven't seen
and
it.
I'm almost done with my
Was
carpet.
it like, what's that guy's name?
Yeah.
Palpatine? You are Palpatine?
Yeah.
You kind of Palpatine.
I just solidify my role as,
You didn't get it though.
I
A lot of wiring.
You got a Palpatine back?
Had to rewire the whole thing.
What? A Palpatine back?
See, it's not much smaller. It's tiny. Compared to the other one, because you have,
It's
much
smaller.
not much,
You have
because the other one you have your two fans, which will span out to about here.
Besides getting the dissemination ready.
Is the instruction manual anywhere?
It comes, well, no, those are the online stuff.
I want to make
But it
that.
comes with
I want to
coding.
get a copy.
No, we're the only two engineering majors.
The,
Good, it has
well,
the.
here's the thing, because the instruction manual for the 500 watt system,
That other
it's,
one,
the original is the 1000,
while you live your
and it
school,
just
whatever.
edited some of the numbers, and all the numbers are correct. It's divided by 2.
Is that all?
But he was still,
Pretty much.
poets.
So here's your
You don't have
holes
to
and
be in
Okay, because I've got the,
your T's,
yeah, well, that's the,
and then these are the mounts for the motor, for the.
Can you open everything?
This is center, this is D.
yeah, let's do that, to take inventory, so we have a,
Hello?
we can make sure we've got everything.
You literally work here and you should know more about SEMA than me. I don't know how I'm gonna know what's our temerity?
You saying you have like a website or something? Or something?
Same
Four
as the
mounts.
last ones, right?
Yes. And then this is your LCD display.
What's the other one?
Do you have any scissors?
You do. Somewhere.
The ones that aren't covered in resin?
Right.
There's a workshop,
Those were hidden.
a federal workshop coming up, and you can just submit by Friday a resume if you want to go to the workshop. It's next week, it's next Friday.
This Wednesday before the, well, architectural building is also.
You go back there?
Huh?
You go back in there?
You don't drive, you probably get a,
Plus I take, I work.
you work?
Run on the 15 and see what happens.
Everything's pretty much the same except the motor controller or the fuel cell controller and the fuel cell itself. But even the controller is the same casing.
We haven't done the test to see whether or not our motors are running.
No, we'll find out.
With this or with
I don't know.
the batteries?
With the batteries, we can find out as well. Okay, how's it going?
Hey, you mind if I use a soldering iron in the basement? Fix this?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Okay.
Do you need,
What's that? Oh, yeah, that'd be great. Yeah. Her charger got two good.
okay, give me a minute, and I'll get it.
I think so.
That's the motor controller?
Thanks.
That's the motor controller, and then that's the actual fuel cell.
Ah, okay. Why are you videoing the unpacking?
Just an unboxing video.
Oh, okay.
Probably for Facebook. And yeah, mostly YouTube though.
So Wednesday at 4?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
expensive
tried to put the events
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
like I said.
A little bit.
That's why I can never build electric stuff, because I have to buy my own parts.
Yeah, you short something and
Oh
you
yeah,
have
then
to
you're
pretty much
screwed.
scrap it. Honestly, like the most you gotta know is just like read the manual and like
Well,
double check before you even turn it on.
I can get a 6.5 horse Predator engine for $100. I can't even get a motor controller for that. So that's why I don't do anything electric. Maybe when I have money.
Maybe.
It'd be cool.
Yeah, they were turning it off.
Are you still gonna be able to attend the meetings on Friday?
Yeah, I'm getting my work done. Like, the project's done, so I have more time.
Okay.
Looks like the same controller?
That's different. Yeah, it's the same controller. It's just different. Well, same case and different internals. Well, I don't even know. It's
What
different
is
internals.
that? that you just
So,
got?
I think this is different.
Is
I
that the
think-
sensor?
I honestly don't know. This is, I think,
It's in the power line.
It is.
Interesting.
so I think this is a replacement to what we called the black box because we didn't know what it was. So you have the white box and then the black box. And I think this is what this is.
What does it say on it?
Unless it's this one. Or maybe it's the DC to DC.
Analog to digital. No.
See, because this is your,
It's a transformer.
this is your black box here.
This is just a transformer. It's a 12 to 800 volt DC converter. 8 to 36 volt DC.
All day, any day, all.
Yeah, this is just a transformer,
Okay,
but a heavy duty one.
that's your DC to DC then.
Yes.
So that's a bit of an upgrade compared to the other one.
Well, is there still gonna be a problem with the motor?
No,
What's the motor minimum voltage?
water. Well, that's what you're talking about.
Yes.
So minimum voltage, I believe, was 36,
We just have to maybe control
and
it.
this would be running around 18 minimum voltage,
Yeah.
and
So we
maximum
might have to get
27.
another motor.
We might have to. So we're gonna have to test this.
Yeah, because transforming uses energy when we convert voltage. So I think Mr. Bartels also agreed, we just have to get another motor. If we can't get it because it's,
Yeah, I
because
know.
that's, voltage is too low.
I mean, another thing is, it's not, you're not always changing the same voltage, because the voltage will vary depending on the fuel cell, so
Though
now.
still gotta be the range.
Yeah, so it kinda like, you have, the target's the same, but you have like, the source is changing, so you kinda have to have
We have
you
the-
want your transformer to also account for that.
We have the original green button. So
Oh, wow, it is smaller, it's like literally kinda half.
yeah,
Where's
That's what
the
I'm saying.
motor controller though? But we
Well-
have another one.
yes. So that's something independent that we have to purchase, and that's depending on what motor you're using.
Okay, we got 3 weeks. So, someone let Mr. Bartels know this came in?
No, he knows.
He knows? Okay.
They sound,
And then this goes to your what do you call it? Capacitor bank. So it has your,
So we didn't need to buy any more supercapacitor banks?
well, I mean,
The
the
one
one
that-
they have, it's only like 1.2 farades.
that was 1.5.
The one that
One
they
and a half,
provide?
Huh?
I thought they provided one.
They do.
Capacitor bank.
See, these are labeled now. SCU. And
They weren't in the
Lower.
first one?
no,
Lower.
so
You have to look at the schematic.
yeah, Well, even at that, you don't exactly know because they just come out of the one port. But yeah, you can identify which one.
Good, well, don't believe them and make sure, double
So
check.
the one we have to always have on is the fans, and there's a SCU you can turn on and off depending if your VSO turns